Hi everyone, my name's Chris and I run AlphaGrafikon. We are a web development company based in Scarborough. All we're doing today with regards to this video, we built this website for AA Nutrition just over 2 weeks ago. And within 2 weeks, the website ranked #1 in Google for vegan supplements in Scarborough, which was always the intention. This video today is to take you through the website and discuss a few different points that I've added whilst building the website that I think has contributed to the ranking itself. I basically followed the algorithm and fed Google what it needs. Before we jump in though, let's have a look at the Google ranking itself. So as you can see, we've got vegan supplements Scarborough at the top of the screen in the Google search bar. Let's scroll a little bit further down the page, and there we go. So the top 3 results, we've got happycow.net, tripadvisor.co.uk and facebook.com. These are massive sites with a huge legacy. They've been around for a while. So then AA Nutrition is ranked #4. Neither of those 3 are a supplement store, so it doesn't really matter. The first supplement store on the page is this company's, which is massive. If we scroll a little bit further down, you can see you've got Holland Barrett down here, Boots down here. So, we've done well on this, and I am really proud of that ranking. The website then. It's not all down to how I built this website. When the customer came on board, we did sort of train them up on digital marketing, and we explained to them that the more external links you have going into your website, the higher it will rank organically. And not only that, if you are present on social media, you're going to drive more people to your website. That's what social media is there for. It's a driving tool to push people to your website. If I scroll down on this page, the customer took on board absolutely everything we said. He jumped on social medias and, a little bit of a learning curve, but he picked it up really, really well. And he's been posting. He's been posting and posting and posting. He's linking his website all the time. He's adding the hashtags that he needs to add on the different social media platforms. He's all over Instagram. He's on LinkedIn. We've got a WhatsApp and an email. So it's all there for him. And every single one of these things is going to contribute to that Google ranking that we now have within less than 3 weeks. Beginning with the website build, if you look at the URL, what we need to do before starting to build a website from scratch is you need to build from the ground up. So we've got a keyword heavy URL, AA Nutrition Scarborough, company name, company industry, and company location, all just in the web address. All right, so we're already off to a running start. When we land on the web page, as soon as we get here, we've got a video at the top to boost engagement. If somebody watches that, they're going to stay on your website for longer than they may have originally. Across the top, we've got all your social media platforms and a click to call button, so they can ring you just by clicking that button. It's all very easy for the customer. First thing that you're met with is a title to the website, which is standard, and a store button. This, if a customer types into Google vegan supplement Scarborough, they click on AA Nutrition as an option that Google's given them. They are met with this homepage and that store button. They are more likely to click on that store button to see what's going on than they are likely to go back to Google to find another supplement store. Google watches all this. It sees if people come to your website and then bounce away straight away. If they do that, then it shows you don't have what that customer wants, and it will harm you in the search engines. All through the site, we've got titles, and then very clearly, following on from what the title says, about AA Nutrition, we've got information about AA Nutrition. In the URL and all over the website, we have stated we are a supplement store. So straight away, under About Us, we've got some featured products. This leads through to buttons that say Shop Now. Everything is tying into what the website stands for. We are a supplement store. We are showing ourselves as a supplement store, and we are proving easy to use for the customer. If we scroll a little bit further down, you can get a discount. We are offering up the discount to the customer on the homepage with a button, a call to action to go and get the discount. Again, easy, all very easy for the customer to just run through. It's not just the homepage that has contributed, or the content pages. It's the supplement store. There's about 30 products in the store. And what I have done within every single product is make sure that they are SEO optimized themselves. So not only the website is SEO optimized, every single product in the store is optimized for a Google ranking itself. How have I done this? All right, let's have a look. So we come in, supplement store then, and we scroll down. So when we first come in, we've got your product and the product sheet. When we click on the product sheet, I'm going to open it up in a new tab. So what we've done here, this is your product, Mr. User, Mr. Potential Customer. Here's some more information about the product that you might not already have already. So if we click on the link and it takes us through to a pop-up PDF which tells us all about the product. Again, we've told the customer there's something behind this link. The customer's clicked on the link. The link has provided value, more value to the customer than it would have if it wasn't there. So we're helping the customer out. We didn't even really need to do that. Google loves it. The customer's happy, and then you start to rank higher. Again, it shows because we are number one. Another part within the description of these products, what I have done. So if you scroll over here and you see the little finger pops up over the word, so I'm going to click the button. This is a backlink. All this backlink is, so we got the 17 best protein sources for vegans and vegetarians. This is a high value backlink because it's taking the customer to somewhere that describes what this word's about. If the customer did decide to click on it, then it's there. If they don't click on it, then you're linking to other websites, so you're ranking off the back of them. It's a high value backlink, and this isn't the only one that's in there. So if you say I've got the glycemic index, what is the glycemic index? Let's click on it. Look, there's the glycemic index. What is it? Lovely stuff. This is and this happens all the way through all the descriptions for every single product. Companies, it takes time. I'll be honest, it takes time to do this properly, which is why most companies don't do it, or they'll have you do it yourself. What I will do, generally, I will show a customer how to do a few. With these ones, to be honest, I had quite a few going at once, so it took less time for me to add all the products myself and then just send them a training video for them to work on themselves, because quite a lot happened at once. But what I am looking to do is put 3, 4, maybe 5 products on, help the customer learn how to put the products on themselves, and then I'll add the backlinks, or just show you how, or you can do it yourself if it's all quite easy within the Alpha Site Editor tool. So yeah, I mean, let's just go back. This is all great. Backlinks, links, this is all perfect. It's all, the URL, the ease of use on the website. This is all ticking boxes for Google. The most important thing, though, I did share a SEO walkthrough about 2 months ago, free, absolutely free. And I did say some of the things you're going to want to look to in the future is when Google changes their algorithm, they're going to look for engagement. They're going to want videos and multimedia and things like that. Google very recently said they want more engagement. They're going to be looking at how long a customer spends on a website to base as to whether that website gets a ranking. This is to stop companies with massive names and really poor websites ranking higher in Google just because they've been around for longer. If a website's providing more value from a customer, a smaller website than a massive corporation, that smaller website deserves to be at the top. It's providing more value, whether it's got the legacy of the company name behind it or not. So what we're going to do now, we're going to jump into the stats dashboard, and I'm going to talk you through how this site has been performing and how we look at the stats in the background. If I come over here to our geolocation, now you can see we've got hits all over the world here. We're in the UK, we've got 84 there, and then we've got Japan, Australia, America. We're quite big over there. So if we're coming down, now if you have a look, the way you can tell if customers are finding positive information on your website and if they are engaging with your website properly, look at the visitors to page views. 106 visitors in total on this website with 350 page views. That means that out of those 106 people, they went through the website on every single page, and a majority of them came back the other way. So they're looking at web pages more than once, which means they're getting a feel for it. They're engaging with the website and they're coming back. We are based in the United Kingdom, so let's just click on there and jump in a little bit further. Digging deeper then, again, we've got 57 visitors in the UK, all of which have looked at 291 different pages. That's back and forth. This counts as maybe one 30-minute session. Every visitor is a 30-minute session. So they've gone through and back through the website over 291 times. This is a massive plus in engagement and real positive steps for this customer and their website. You can see here we've got the average visit duration is 3 minutes and 57 seconds. The industry standard set by Google is 2 to 3 minutes, which means we're 2 minutes above the industry standard for people engaging with the website. Absolutely everything from top to bottom in this website has been designed for exactly what is happening. It's perfect. It's almost like digital poetry. So yeah, I get excited about it. You can probably tell I'm a bit of a geek in my voice, but you know, I take pride in my work. Thanks for watching this. If there will be another one coming up, I got a company to seventh in the whole of North Yorkshire, and they're only behind massive companies. So look out for that. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers. Bye now.